Vamos! Hey, I'm right here with you. Hey, come here. What the hell is that? Hey! Not playing, fool! No!
You think you got hired among the bunch, but you're actually getting fired within the bunches. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Hire a Bunch of Fire Bunches. My name is Ron, and I'm back again to help you guys with more of my content. Stop. Well, as you can tell from the funny videos in the beginning of the video, today we're not going to talk about anything about interview. Well, of course, by the time you watch this video, it's probably the time of the Western holidays, Christmas, or whatever you want to call it, and also the New Year's Day. So I decided to make a episode, I would say a sequel episode of one of my previous tacky episodes. Yes, and it's going to be regarded of VR, and also it's going to be about the Ultraleap controller number 2. Yes. So speaking of VR and Ultraleap controller, I would say it's a very good combination to put them together because first of all, there's been many engineering projects and also the AI company. They're trying to make a combination with AI plus VR plus AR. I have made some videos, right? I did Ultraleap 1 and Ultraleap 2, and this is Ultraleap 1 unboxing, and also Ultraleap 2 right here is for another unboxing video. And today we're gonna share some of my experience and also test with this guy on the top, VR. Yeah, so the reason I'm using both Ultraleap 1 and 2 is because, as you can see, yep, I'm doing motion control. It's both a test and also a and also my project for this channel, just to show you guys how the VTuber thing can go to another level. All right, come to our studio. So as a VR unboxing, I mean, there's been like millions, hundreds of millions YouTubers doing the same thing to do the unbox, and some of them already did it like a couple years ago when Quest 2 just came up. I'm not gonna do it. So what I will like to do is to share it with you guys what I did with my Quest 2. And this is one of my video shots when I setting up my Ultraleap 2 and also the Quest 2. So it's a very short display, so we'll see, and I'm going to explain you guys what I did. And first of all, you see that first of all you can see it. Yeah, this is my collection of Dragon Ball Z, no sponsorship, okay. And this is Brody, and I got Son Goku's Super Saiyan 3, I think. Yep, so here we go. So I got my Ultraleap 2, right? And then I did the unboxing, and next to it is a Quest 2. But for today's episode, I bought a special support for Quest 2. Okay, first of all, that's Quest 2, and that's my Ultraleap 2 support, right? And you got the support for your XR VR, and also the shortened cable that is linked up between the Ultraleap 2 and the XR. I'll tell you guys what it is, but it's tricky. So this is the shorter link cable. It's just the USB-C. So, and then next I will try to connect the Ultraleap with my computer, right? And then I'll start up my Quest 2. Basically, okay, so I started my Quest 2, and as you can tell from the LED, and then I will show you guys. Okay, this shorter cable doesn't really work on me. So I connected to my Ultraleap and also my VR. Remember what does it display? Okay, just the green light, right? Okay, so I decided to switch the shorter cable to the normal cable that came up with the Ultraleap box, which you can see from my previous episode with the Ultraleap unboxing. And that one is connected to my PC. And now you can see the Ultraleap 2 activated. So I have no idea. I mean, I searched on Google. I say, why is it not linked up and clicked with my VR Quest 2? I think from official Ultraleap 2, you have to have an XR machine. So VR, PC VR is not XR. XR are something like Hive, and also the I think there's one brand called Pico. Yes, I can show you guys link down below from Ultraleap. So if you're using those devices and you have the shorter cable link up to Ultraleap 2, that will work. So if you can actually achieve the goal of totally wireless control Ultraleap and your VR. You can walk around with your Ultraleap mounted on the head of your XR, but not a PC VR, unfortunately. Okay, so with everything activated, I'll just go do my test, and I'll show you guys. Oh yeah, that's my link cable. I bought it aftermarket one, not from the Oculus or Meta. All right, so with everything set up, I'll show you guys how to do the test. This one got music. Yeah, here you go. You got background music. Hey, wave it to start, and I start waving it. And here we go. So I mounted my Leap 2 on my VR. Very nice. Throw up. And here we'll switch the shape. There you go. Another shape. Here we go. This is the best part. Look closely. Look closely. Oh yeah. You break the gravity law. Very nice. Here we go. So that's the block, and the next one will be Aura. It's all-in-one stuff. So it also includes blocks. So I remove the block parts, and I'll show you guys the other two parts. Welcome to America. Welcome to Aura. Right, it's a jumping pane. You can move it by throw it anywhere you want. Well, not anywhere, but yeah, don't quote me. Alright, this is Artland. Basically, you use your Leap 2 motion capture to draw anything you want. It doesn't have much color, it doesn't have many options for color, and it'll just tell you how to draw. Yes. It kind of reminds me of Steam VR Home, right? You got different tools you can choose, but that one doesn't have hand tracking. Alright, you can choose yellow. Get your hands colored by pink. That's what I did. Yeah, that's just general settings. There's nothing interesting there. Yeah, there you go. right? Yep. Alright, that's it. So the next is, it's a little bit display. It's just to show you how you can using leap motion to play around with this VR model. And you got this stretching the pane or getting exploded a little bit, and you can actually pick up each component if you want. I think I did the leap control one, so I did the leap control model. Yeah. And you can basically screw it, and there's another demo though. It's like cat. It's a cat, and basically the same as this VR one, right? But basically you're just having this cat, and you use it on controller, right? Just to touch the cat any part you want, and whenever you touch it, basically taking it apart, like doing an operations thing. I didn't put it on this app store because I think it's a little bit gruel, and don't want to get flagged by YouTube. So I didn't just bother to do it. But yeah, so guys, you've seen all that blocks and Aurora. Welcome to America. Welcome to Aurora. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will expecting your comments, dislike or like, just to let me know, and I'll make a free episode 1 to 3 out of your comments, okay? And of course, if you like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you when I see you for the next episode. Peace out, man. Peace out.